And I've also been invited to YouTube. You know, I only have about 15,000 subscribers. Look at you trying to get your ad revenue and your watch time hours up. Now you know you came to the right place. Let's get this video going. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So today we're diving into a topic that every YouTuber dreams about, hitting that sweet spot of monthly views. That can signal that your channel is not only growing, but also ready to start raking in some serious revenue. So if you're ready to take your channel to the next level, stick around because I have some valuable insights coming your way. First, let's talk about why monthly views matter. Monthly views are a significant indicator of your channel's health and also growth. Now, they reflect how many times your content has been watched in a month, and higher views generally mean more engagement, which is a positive sign for both YouTube and potential advertisers. So let me pause the video really quick and let me talk about this red lip I have on today, guys. Yes, Sin has on a red lip. Now, I have worn a red lip in the past, but I just had to let you guys take a really good look at this red lip, okay? This is Fenty, Rihanna's Fenty red lip, baby, okay? Beautiful. It looks good on me. My skin is of darker complexion, but this red is popping, baby. This red lip literally goes with every skin tone. As you can see, I'm rocking out, baby. And also today I have on Valentino perfume, guys. It just smells so good. I get so many compliments about my perfume. Now, there are different sizes. You can click down below. If you're already familiar with her, go ahead and buy her again. Bring it back up. Now, it is an OG, but it's an OG on me because yeah. But anyways, guys, back to the video. Now let's break down the key monthly view milestones that indicate your channel is moving towards a big revenue stage. Now, we all know YouTube's algorithm favors channels that consistently attract views, pushing your videos to more recommended feeds and search results, which is crucial for growth. Starting with 1,000 views per month is often the initial milestone for many creators. It shows that you're building an audience, but you're just getting started. 10,000 monthly views. Hitting 10,000 views per month is a significant step. This level indicates that your content is starting to resonate with a broader audience, and it's a good time to explore monetization options. 500,000 monthly views. Woo! When you reach 500,000 views, you're entering a growth phase. At this point, you're likely to see an increase in subscribers and also more engagements. Also, brands will start noticing you. Actually, smaller than that. 100,000 monthly views. Now, let's talk about the big milestone, okay? 100,000 views per month. This is where you're really gaining traction. Now, you'll not only see a boost in ad revenue, but also more opportunities for sponsorships and partnerships. 250,000 monthly views and beyond. Finally, once you hit that many per month, you're in a prime position for substantial revenue. Now, channels at this level often have a loyal audience and can command higher rates for sponsorships and collaborations. Now, once you hit these key monthly view milestones, you'll start noticing the potential for revenue. Now, here's how this typically plays out. With increased views, your ad revenue will rise. You will earn money based on how many views and clicks that you get when people watch your videos. As your channel grows, brands will take note. Sponsorship opportunities will arise, and you can negotiate deals for product placement or endorsement. So those milestones that I just spoke on, they're not set in stone. That's just from my research, but I can say this, as you guys can see, I'm almost at 15,000 subscribers, and I have had many sponsorship deals, many partnership deals, and I've also been invited to YouTube. You know, I only have about 15,000 subscribers. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. Don't give up. I don't care if you don't get over 100 views on each video. I'm struggling currently because I've been away for a few months. So I have to work my way back inside the algorithm. I'm cool with that. Don't give up, okay, guys? A lot of people are getting sponsorship deals and all, and their views and their subscriber count isn't big. If it's for you, it's for you. So keep being positive, keep posting videos, keep being yourself, stay out of mess, stay out of drama, do what you're on here to do. You don't have to be a huge creator to get opportunities. Guys, when I tell y'all, my opportunities, the opportunities that have been placed upon me are bigger than I ever imagined. And I'm still a small content creator trying to grow. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up. If this is what you really want to do, do it. Do it. Keep your head down, up, down, and do it. Just do it. I never thought in a million years that I would be, well, I was hoping this would eventually happen, but I never thought in a million years that I would get an invite to go to LA to YouTube with creators that have hundreds and thousands of subscribers, big people. I met a lot of big people when I went to this event last month. And I'm gonna tell you, when I first got the invite, I thought it was a scam. I thought it was like, I'm like, this is spam. But as I look down there, and I'm like, oh my God, this is real. This is real. So me and my husband, we went to LA last month, and we had the time of our life. Time of our life. I never thought in a million years. Like, and YouTube just sent me a YouTube sweater the other day. I'm like, oh my God, is this really happening? And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Let me give y'all a vulnerable moment. I literally, like, when I got the invite, I cried for weeks. And, you know, and then once I got there, I cried because I'm like, little old me. And then I say, yeah, little old me saying, look, you got yourself here. So everything that I learned, y'all know I pour into y'all, and we're going to grow together. This is a learning process. I still have a long way to go. But just by YouTube inviting me lets me know I'm doing something right. I'm doing something right. So don't give up. Keep going. You guys got this. If y'all need any help, I'm here. Don't let my views being low discourage you, because my views are really low. That's because I've been gone for 4 months, but I'll get it back. Anyways, guys, keep going, doing what you're doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.